Hey dudes, what's up? It is Firehorn TV coming back, and this time I'm going to be playing a bit of Angry Birds 2. And the reason why I'm playing this, I know I haven't played the first one or anything. The reason why I'm playing this is because I know a lot of people liked the first, a lot of people liked the Angry Birds movie. I know that, and I think that maybe if you guys want to see this game, well, maybe you'll enjoy it. Because I know I used to play a lot of the Angry Birds, but I never really got into it. I got into it, but I kind of got bored because I never did much with it after I beat all the levels. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna start off with. Oh my gosh, no, go away. I don't even know what that just was, but whatever. Angry Birds is gonna be probably very fun. No, a lot of people out there, they also play Angry Birds, and, yeah. I think it's gonna be fun. And I'm still on the loading screen. I haven't seen some of the birds before. I know the blue ones, the big red one, the small red one, the bomb one, the egg one, the fast one, but next to the fast one, I don't know what that one is, so. Oh, so this is pretty cool. Oh, okay, I didn't know it was like this. I didn't know it was like this. This is pretty cool. Just load. Just loading. Just loading. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, I didn't know that there was going to be a tutorial. Lol. That's pretty funny. Did I win? I won. That's pretty amazing. The eggs! We need the eggs! Okay, what am I doing? There we are. I just want to make it perfect. Tap anywhere. Oh, Red got an ability now? Oh, that is so cool. I didn't know Red had an ability. That's cool. Oh, you get to unlock a new card at some point. That's cool. No! The chef took the eggs. Come back! Man, oh man, he didn't come back with my eggs. That's rude. I asked for the eggs and he doesn't come back with the eggs. That's just rude, dude. And it's a chef, which means that's a bad thing. It might make scrambled eggs or something. Don't make scrambled eggs. Dude! Oh my gosh, I'm not doing so well. I want the eggs, please. Oh, that's so cool. I unlocked blues. Oh, I know these guys. I know these guys. Can I play? Play. I was curious if it was gonna do it for me or if I had to do it. I don't know. Oh, that's so cool! Hello. Wait, if I go like this? What did it? Oh no, they're still scared. Okay, I thought it would probably be different. Haha! Whoa! Extra card! Strike! So like in bowling, strike. Ooh, balloons. I like balloons. Oh, it's not giving me... Oh, it's giving me hints though. Haha! I didn't know what time to get them to move, so I don't know. Hola! We won. Great. Oh, I think I just fast forwarded it. Okay. Next. Next. Okay. Sorry, I was staying quiet because I didn't know if something special was going to happen. Okay. Come on. Still, at the loading screens. At least make a better loading screen if you're gonna play. If you want people to play the game, at least do a better loading screen. Because really, it's kind of annoying if you don't do a good loading screen. Fire! Oh, please tell me that guy goes away. No extra card this time. Okay, back. No, I didn't mean to hit it. Oh, I didn't mean to hit it. Oh, that's so bad on my part. There are only 2 rooms left. Oh. I like the thing where they go, ha 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 ha. That's pretty cool. I like how they did all the animations. It's pretty cool. Okay. Again, yes, I know how to do this. Okay. We're gonna go right here. And... Booyah! Extra card this time. Hey! We win. Strike! Oh, that's pretty cool. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Or pizza, as I like to call it. Dude, calm down. You sound so upset. Wow! Okay. Red got a little bit too angry. He got super angry. He's just like, calm down. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that scared me. But let me go now if you guys want more of this, because I'll play more if you guys want me to. Hey, we unlocked Chucky. Or Chuck. But if you guys want me to play more, please let me know. Enjoy that. So, let's, also, please tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, please. Because that would be epic. Oh, okay, so it tells him where he can go to. Speed up! Dude, that guy is, like, fast. He's speedy. Extra card! So this is pretty cool. I'm still kind of confused on how it works. Well, but, you know. Hey! What is that machine? I don't know what that is. I kind of want to know, though. So, like that. Speed up. Ooh! Ooh! Are they okay? You guys okay? Oh, I don't know. That's pretty scary. Wow, that just scared me. Ooh. Okay. Oh, we're still going through this stupid tutorial. Oh, we got the claim stuff. Chapter open. What is it? Feathers. Wait, does he like rank up or something? Oh, he does. That's cool. I didn't know that they did that. Oh, we might be able to get the eggs back. Let's try to get the eggs back. Cause, you know, we need the eggs and all of that good stuff. So, you know. But yeah, I will be posting a couple more videos up today. But you know, busyness is busyness. Oh. Ah, this music's so cool. Let's do that. Oh, I forgot to use his ability. No, I feel so bad for that. Oh, that thing keeps on firing him? Okay, that was pretty cool. Oh, I love the pig's expressions on their face. That's pretty cool. Oh, extra card. I'm using this thing. Oh, wait. I didn't even need to do anything. They already fell down. As you saw, I was about to shoot, but apparently I didn't need to. Birdie! Okay, that's pretty cool. Like in golf, you know? Like in golf. Ooh! The eggs! You! Give me my eggs back. You. Yeah, take that. Ha! I didn't know if that would work, but apparently it did. How are you still good? Oh, come on. How did I not get him with that? Oh, I didn't hit it. Oh, he won. No. Watch your video. Oh, that's cool. It spits out stuff. I think I won. I won. Strike. Sorry, that's how they did it in baseball, so that's how I'm used to saying it. Like, strike 1, strike 2. And then you're out is strike 3. The boss is smart. He's not smart, he's so stupid. He's so stupid. Yeah, these guys are not really that good, so we're just gonna try you guys off. Whoop. Bye-bye. Okay, that did better than before. I didn't want that. Hello. Oh, that was amazing. Yeah! We won. We are the champions, my friend. If you don't know that song, then it's an okay song. It's I don't remember what it's from, but we won. So. No, old man, come back. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.